Namaste friends, my name is Ronak Gajjar and today I'm going to talk about why money is important to me. Now there are many reasons why money is very important for me as a person, as a human being. Now I started working at the age of 15 and I distributed newspaper, milk to my friend's house during my school days, and I started working at a very early age, so I know the importance of money. Now, there are lots of reasons why it's important, but let me list down a few of them for this video purpose. The first reason it is important because I believe money is energy and money is not coming to you or me for only purpose that I go and enjoy or I spend on all the luxuries. But it comes to me, the reason being is that I can redistribute it back to the system because I do not eat more than 4 to 6 breads a day. That's 4 to 6 chapatis a day. And when it is coming more, yes, I reinvest. I have a proper money management system which I follow. But it is important that I also need to take care of the society. So giving back to the society is one of the reasons it's important for me. The second reason it is very, very essential for me, it is because I love traveling. Money is important because it is one of the tools required for you to travel from one city to another, one country to other. I've traveled to Dubai, I've traveled to Bali, I've traveled to many other cities in India as well and outside India. And I understood that when you travel, you evolve as a human being. And everywhere, the universal language is money. When you show the money, everything else is sorted out. For food, for water, for stay, everything is taken care of. It's like money is that energy which speaks every language, right? So the third reason why it's important is I, as a human being, love gadgets, right? I believe that once you have money or if the money is flowing in, buy the best. Don't go for the lowest, but buy the best because it's going to last long and it's not necessary that expensive things are the best. But the simple things, the one which is user friendly and which is usable for you in that purpose, it is fulfilling your purpose, then it is important. So that kind of gadgets are certain gadgets I have and certain gadgets I wish to buy. That's why money is important to me. Now, the fourth reason I believe money is important is it's way too essential that you earn a lot of money. Very, very important because this is for all the people who are watching this video. This is a sacred, powerful wisdom which I received when I tried to figure out why money is important to me or what is my relationship with money. Now, money only is coming to certain level of consciousness. Now, if it is coming to you and if it is coming to you in abundance, don't deny it. That's why it's important to me because it is universe, divine, God, or whatever you believe in. It is giving you an opportunity to make money through videos, make money through teaching online or sharing your wisdom. And it comes to people who value that, wisdom. So it's important to me because I have gained a lot of wisdom, knowledge and educated myself in yoga, pranayama, meditation, alternate healing and a lot of things. I always invest in my self-education. So self-education is one reason why money is important because with that education, that wisdom, that knowledge, I can help others to become more financially free, stable, more aware of their financial thermostat. Now, the last reason why money is important to me is I always do first after my distribution of wealth back to the society or giving away or charity, the second thing what I do for my personal self is make sure that I buy things for myself, my parents, my family, my partner, my kids, Coco and Mimi. So it's important that money, once you redistribute it back, the charity is done. The second important money management lesson which I learned is play with that money. I make sure that I do something which makes me happy. So money is a tool which can buy happiness for some time for you or for some others. And that's the reason why money is important to me. My name is Ronak Gajjar. I hope you love this video. Thank you. God bless.